What happened when this man found 200 years old stone from inside which strange sound was coming? But as soon as the stone was broken, something was found from inside which will surprise you. So this is the incident in America, where this man found a 200 years old stone which was hidden by the king. That's why to know what will be inside the stone, immediately this person starts breaking the stone with the help of hammer. But it seemed that something valuable would come out from inside it. So what came out of the stone? But before, if you are from America, then so gold coins found from inside the stone.